Hello all, how to create a Payeer account, how to create a good Payeer account to get your payments on Payeer account or to get money on your wallet. Everything you need about Payeer in this video I will explain you today. This is the interface of Payeer website. You have create account and you have a login. So you have to create account. You have to click on create account and create a good account for you. Payer account is a send, exchange, or accept fiat and cryptocurrency on your personal account or website. You have BTC, you have Ethereum, Euro, Dollar. Every cryptocurrency is disponible on Payer account. It's an electronic wallet, as you see here. We have the option to create account. We have the option to log in. So I will create a good account now. This is the cryptocurrencies disponible and available on Payeer: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dashcoin, Tether, Ripple, Dogecoin, Tron. You can trade on that cryptocurrencies. So this is Payeer mobile on smartphone, Payeer application in App Store and Google Play. You can use it to pay fees or pay anything you need to pay on App Store and Google Play. Multi-currency account, instant payment and transfers, no need to enter a password. And cryptocurrency exchange. So this is the description of Payeer wallet. For who want to create a Payeer wallet, 40,787 account today created today, just today. As you see here, we have to click on create account or login. I have to create account now. I have already an account, but I will show you how to create an account today. Click on create account and you will face this interface. Create account. It's very simple. So here you have to add your email. Add your email here. First step, I will add my email address. markprovantcat@gmail.com. After I added my email, automatically in green create account, and here a code sent to my email address. I will go to my email address, get the code. I will get the code now. This is the code. I'll get it now. This is the code. Copy and paste it on your code here. Paste it like that. After that, continue without confirmation or create account. Create account because this is the confirmation code. This is the password. Please save it in a safe place. This is the password of my account. It's very simple to create. This is the password. This is the secret code and account name. Save them all. Save them all on a text document or screen like that, or screen that codes like that, and save like that. Save them like that and enregistrer or save and close and click next. Copy the wallet address and click next. Congratulations to complete. Please enter your name and country. Enter your name like that, and last name and country, and done. And the wallet will be opened now with $0. It will show now dashboard, step 1, step 2 and step 3, and click on done. Waiting a moment because I have a slow internet speed. Waiting to see the balance on my account. Waiting a moment. I will interrupt the video and return back. This is the account opened, as you see. Your account is not verified. Due to our AML policy, your account withdraw is $999. If you verify your account, you will get more than $1,000 per day. This is the email address, the password, the login, the secret code, everything as you see in the video is accessible. Copy them and paste them on a text file. As you see, please save the login data in a safe place or download .txt file directly. This is the login, everything I saved them on a text file like that, and the account is opened now. Click on profile and the right side corner. As you see, current limit. Here type of account, personal. Here 999. You have to verify your account by an ID card or everything you need to verify. The important thing is to verify your account with an ID card or an electricity bill. Withdrawal limit for non-verified account. This is a non-verified account. You can verify it by an ID card. That's all. You have also trade, you have exchange, you have transfer, you have added in the left side of the page. You also added your birthday here and go next. You have to add your mobile phone, your phone number, add it in that place, and click OK and go next. You can verify your account by a call or a phone text message. And here, as you see, the phone successfully linked, phone number, and you can add your passport or ID card or driver's license. Your password, here you can change your password. You can change your password, type your password and new password and repeat new password. As you see in the video past, it's important to change your password. That's all. I will return back after changing my password. That's why I added in a text message default password, and I will add my password and I will repeat it. I will repeat the password here and I will click on modify. Wait in a moment. I will click on modify after I typed my password. Modify and wait in a moment. It's incorrect password. I will repeat and now modify. New pass. Change success. I have changed my password. And now I go to my balance. That's it. Available account. Please save the login data in a safe place. This is the login data. You can use them to log in. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. This is how to create a Payeer account and get payment. That's all accounts: USD, Ruble, Euro, BTC, USDT, Dash, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dashcoin, Dogecoin. You can add the balance here. Choose a cryptocurrency, for example Bitcoin. This is the address. This is the address Bitcoin. That's all. This is all the wallets. You have transfer option. You can transfer any money to any other network or Payeer account. You have to trade. If you want to trade, you can trade. You can work on trading to get a good amount of money every month, but it's at your own risk. If you don't know how to trade, you cannot use this option. It's very difficult to use this option. Personally, I don't use trade option. And that's it, how to trade. You can search on YouTube how to trade and you will find a tutorial. Some people give you how to trade and get good amount of money every month. Exchange here. You can exchange money from Bitcoin to USD balance or from Euro to Bitcoin. Everything you want to exchange here, you can do an exchange. I will return back to balance, and that's all cryptocurrencies. That's your wallet account number, verification code, everything is okay. SMS security you can turn on, but I let it off. You can turn it on after you verify your phone number. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.